Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2024 MG5 stock number 6231. This ran from the first 2023 to the current shape. It has a NSE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a CVT automatic transmission. This is a NSE 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent in the corner, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door mirror, right front door 1 slight bend in the front, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,